Fenugreek seeds, also known as methi dana, are a common ingredient in Indian cuisine for centuries. Fenugreek seeds are also used as an alternative to medicine to treat medical conditions such as high blood sugar, high bad cholesterol, and obesity. In recent years, fenugreek seeds have gained popularity as a weight loss tool. So here in this Be Nutritive video, I will discuss, does fenugreek seeds aid in weight loss? How to use fenugreek seeds for the weight loss, and what are the recommended doses for its weight loss. Fenugreek seeds help to lose weight in several ways. Number 1. Fenugreek seeds are rich in fiber. 3.7 grams of fenugreek seeds provide 1 gram of fiber. Galactominin is the main fiber present in fenugreek seeds, which shown to help to inhibit fat accumulation in rat studies. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds fiber content has also been shown to aid weight loss by increasing satiety. In a study, 18 healthy people with obesity showed the consuming of 8 grams of fenugreek seeds with breakfast dramatically increased satiety. So participants ate less at their next meal. Number 3. Fenugreek seeds tea was shown to decrease appetite in one study conducted on 9 healthy women who are overweight. So fenugreek seeds help to lose weight by increasing metabolic rate, increasing satiety, and by decreasing appetite and fat accumulation. For weight loss, fenugreek can be used as fenugreek water, fenugreek tea, fenugreek and honey drink, sprouted fenugreek, and is also available in the form of pills and capsules. Fenugreek water is the most recommended for weight loss and can be easily prepared at home by soaking 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water and leaving it overnight. Filter the seeds in the morning and eat soaked seeds on an empty stomach, or drink fenugreek water to lose weight. You can use fenugreek water daily, but consult your dietitian or doctor before using it for weight loss. The fenugreek seeds daily dose varies according to condition. But for effective weight loss, 1 to 2 tablespoons or 2 to 5 grams of whole fenugreek seeds can be consumed daily. It is better not to consume fenugreek seeds during pregnancy and in childhood. If you feel any discomfort, consult your healthcare provider. That's all for today's video about fenugreek. Hope so you will like this video. If you have any queries, comment your queries in the comment box. Do not forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be healthy, be nutritive.